Christmas. And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Jenny's Random. Welcome back to another video and Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
So we are doing a drink competition today. This is Maxie's idea. She is our creative
Director.
Creative director. She's behind the camera right now. So we came up with this idea. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw me post our baskets. So you guys will be rating us on our baskets and our drinks, and our family is judging the taste. So without further ado, we're going to get started. Everybody has their little setup here. As you can see, there's some cheating. Maria already opened my Bacardi a couple nights ago to try to sabotage me, but it's okay. I'm going to win. It's all right. Oh, I got ingredients over there. Anyway, we're going to get started. My sisters are going to come into frame, huh?
And she took Coke.
Oh, yeah. They spit her out. Maria borrowed ingredients, and the rules were not to borrow. So anyway, we're going to get started.
Never a rule.
You said everybody had to bring their own stuff.
Is there a timer?
No, there ain't no timer.
Oh, we should have done a timer.
Maria.
But y'all having no conversation.
Sorry.
It's Adidas though.
Okay,
I see it.
I'm nervous, guys. Do you have a scooper for your ice?
We could use a cup.
Okay.
Which did you bring a cup for that?
I do. Right, so my drink is called the Grinch, and yeah, that's
did
my
we
drink.
start
So
yet?
yeah, well we ain't start. But wait, she still got a cup orange juice, and as you can see, the sabotage is happening. This is my plate. I needed, and clearly someone has got her oranges on it.
Oh, don't worry.
Boy, stop feeling on me. You better mess up your plate.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, because I'm still need your plate. That's
Oh,
all
you still got? All right.
Okay.
All right, good.
Okay.
So now we're gonna get started. But my drink is quick to make. You still gotta cut it. What'd you make?
Okay, so should we go through yours? Go
Yeah.
through the names again?
All right. So should I do my ingredients? All right.
Yes.
I'm gonna run through my ingredients. So I am making the Grinch. My drink calls for a lot. 5 ounces of pineapple juice. I couldn't find pineapple juice, so I'm making a variation of the drink. So I'm using lemonade. It calls for Mindoro, Blue Caracao, vodka, White Rum, and then that's how you get the Grinch punch. Y'all see it all come together as I make it.
So, everyone made fun of me because I'm very basic, but mine is called the Christmas Punch. And it calls for Prosecco. Either, I'm doing Bacardi's rum, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing rum. I have ginger ale, cranberry juice, pomegranate juice, orange juice, and then I have some garnishes,
sounds delicious.
orange, mint, and some cranberries.
I'm
I'm
I have no idea what secret illness.
I'm sorry.
All right, what you got?
Okay. Everybody.
Can I start cutting?
No.
Yeah, you can start cutting.
Yeah.
Okay.
My drink is called the Pinecone because it's brown. Ginger beer, mint, Titos, splash of Ciroc red berry, and a little Coke to make it brown, so I'm not disqualified.
That's about it. And mine also calls for a splash of lemon lime soda.
Points. She asked me to do her.
Cause my aunt, I can't slice it.
She's an idiot.
Empty
Okay.
bag.
Okay.
All right, so I didn't even set up my cups. This is a scam.
I didn't set up mine either. Well,
All right.
mine is mainly through the bottom.
Maria silence up.
And the table. Okay. Xavier.
Shoot, Maxie.
Xavier. He's looking.
Sabotage. You took Jennifer's plate.
I gave her a new one.
She gave me no one.
I gave her a new one. Okay.
Whose thing is this?
That's yours.
Is
It's
it mine?
lemonade.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, so now.
All right. So I guess.
Stop wiggling the table to try to sabotage me.
First of all, this isn't even for me.
Oh, okay.
That you got 4
Thank-
for your 4 judges. That's it.
Thank you.
Now I got citrus.
Should I put ice first?
Fingers. No, because you want to know how much liquid. I'm not helping you.
What are you supposed to help? Oh, do I gotta tilt this to the side? Stop laughing, everybody. 6 ounces of rum or vodka. Ma, I don't know how to measure this.
Use one of my cups because mine is 7.
Yours is 7. So we
Oh,
might
just
just have,
don't go
we'll
off.
just have a little extra.
A little less than.
So like this, Ma? That's about, this was a 7-ounce cup, so that's about 6? Okay.
Oh no.
The gang already know what the deal
They
is.
know we don't, how we roll.
I don't know if this is not gonna be good.
Why?
Oh, at least we know it works. Christmas gift from 2020, and she opened it today.
Oh, here's where my magic begins.
What did you say?
My magic. I don't know. I hope I have enough to make all the drinks.
Okay.
Okay.
It's real quiet in here.
The intensity, I'm feeling it.
Everyone is watching very hard. He's sitting there, he's judging very
Is
seriously.
this half an ounce, Mommy? This is half an ounce?
You can't ask for help.
Yes, we can, Mom. That's for a friend.
You don't get a lifeline.
We get lifelines in here. All right, Ma. They said 16 ounces.
How much is that bottle?
This is 48. So I should do the 7-ounce cups like 2 times and then a little bit, right? Stop laughing at me.
Oh no.
14. I need 16. So,
I better stop laughing because
Ma, this about 2.
this ain't the
About 1/3 of it.
That's another 2 ounces, right? Okay.
Auntie Mac, what's your color?
Exy. You know that flips up extra, right?
It does.
So it's by
You knew that, Maria?
It's by Exy.
Oh, so y'all, you know that.
Barista!
I don't know how to make it stay.
Woo, look at the frost happen. Oh, she got a shaker with her? Not the,
She gets points for that.
Shake it like a soap shaker.
but hers is not red, so I feel like
Mine is green.
A red shaker.
she got red rim.
That's
Okay.
a green drink.
That doesn't matter.
No, oh no.
That is a hater.
Ma, who signed it?
On your
Tastes
rim.
good.
Not Nutella on
What
the
you need a
rim.
spoon for? Here, I got you,
Edwin,
girl.
can you?
But
I got you, girl.
That's not taking no points for that, right?
no.
Because these judges are very brutal here.
These judges are vicious. Like,
They was deducting points for,
Attitude.
because one of my scrunchies, I got a scrunchie and a rubber band, so he said -5 for that. I was like, what?
I was gonna do brown sugar, but the brown sugar was $7.99.
She said no.
I should made it drown.
By stealing soda.
Edwin. Okay.
Excuse me, can you move your cup?
I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that punch is burning me, not red.
You're about to
It's red.
Auntie Max,
That ain't right.
It's red.
Tried though.
It's mint.
I got mint too.
That's
the
looking
leaf has to be
That
brown.
looks like
I think y'all had a secret meeting behind my back regarding ingredients.
Regarding mint.
She said,
Yeah.
"Stay out, get ready."
None yet.
Okay.
Can somebody give me a scoop of ice?
How many 3 judges? Oh, you made for everybody?
Okay. Should I pour that in the thing or?
And
Okay.
Don't knock that over.
Don't sit there waiting like she's the one on chalk. You know what happens when the ones on chalk finish first.
Mm-hmm. Should have used all the time.
Mm-hmm. You want to pass me cup?
No.
You so petty.
Did you pass me any mint?
Hi.
pass me the mic.
Okay.
Wow. That's lovely.
Thank you.
Don't put it on my mat.
It looks like fruit punch.
Oh, I forgot to. Oh,
All right, you
God.
can put it on my mat.
No, I don't.
Good.
Okay, I need
Auntie
space.
Mac.
No, get out of here.
Wait a minute.
Oh, she knocked my thing down.
I'm sorry.
This is the longest drink making.
She
I
took up
imagine
too much
you
space.
was at
I'm
a
a
bar and you- these your waitresses.
God. No, put yours on. Put mine somewhere next to my thing.
Oh, okay.
Imagine it wasn't recording this whole time. I would die. I would die and go right
Their
back to New
drink
York.
making skills matches the DJ from the other night.
Right.
Yo.
That DJ was.
That y'all had a rough DJ session.
That party was so bad. The party ended early. It was supposed to end at 2 a.m.
I think that was what he wanted.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I think I won already, y'all. I'm gonna give you a close up of my drink. Here is my drink, the Grinch, and we got the cherry for the heart. Oh my God, these are pretty. This is Maria's. Maria's is called the Pinecone. And then, sorry.
Oh, the one that Auntie Max sold you?
Then here is Maxie's. Hers is called
The Christmas
Punch. Maria,
Get the
these-
punch. Get the
and then
punch
she has a
bowl.
whole bowl of punch here. This is so pretty. Can we get an image?
Please don't.
So these are our baskets. So the competition was to have a basket and a drink to match your pajamas. This came out good. Maxie, good job.
Thank you.
All right, gang. So now my family is gonna taste test these. Have these muffins, some chips, and I have some green dip down there. So I had muffins, chips, Lay's, apples, grapes.
Oh, you
All
mean
the
to
different
tell
things in it.
me? So I'm not gonna go through every bit and piece, but I have deli jalapeno chips, cheese doodles, Pringles, Fruit Loops, red Gatorade, Twizzlers, red Gatorade, Twizzlers, Doritos, nacho Doritos, a Munch Bar, Kit Kat,
Dang, you
That's
said
the
you want
opposite
to
of not going through everything.
Skittles,
went through everything.
Nutter Butter,
Oh,
cake,
nuts,
just a little something.
Maria, this is gonna be quick. Give me 3
Come
items.
on.
I have 3 things. I have Sweet Southern Heat Barbecue,
Oh, that's my
a
favorite.
giant Hershey bar,
Oh.
hot wing pretzels,
Oh.
Snickers, Nutella, and Cocoa Krispies.
Oh.
Friday. Wait, can I get a
And my blanket. Thank you.
All right,
I get points for that.
I'm delivering the
You're not supposed
drinks.
to taste it yet.
Nobody wants to be on camera, but you'll hear the
Give me
reaction.
Xavier one. Ready?
Are we tasting
Oh
ours?
yes, let's get one more. Get yours.
You gonna get our reaction?
Oh, that's good.
Tasting it. You know what?
That's good, actually. It tastes like candy.
Oh.
Oh, Jenny.
Whatever.
It tastes like candy. It's good.
Jolly.
It's so tasty.
It's like the Jolly Rancher almost.
It is
Extra,
good.
you want a cherry?
Oh my God.
Oh, this is good.
With the red
I'll
one.
take it.
Mhm.
Then you get the cherry that represents the Grinch's heart.
Not the whole backstory to the cherry. Okay.
And this is what?
Don't be a sore
This
loser.
one is called the Grinch.
What is the alcohol?
Oh, so you have white rum, white rum, vodka,
Oh my God, it's a headband.
Midori, Blue
Well,
Caracao.
what is Midori?
Midori is it's an orange liqueur, a melon
Are these
liqueur.
real?
Melon.
You cleanse your palate.
We cleaned it.
You're not drinking any yet, Maria?
You want to try
All right, next we're trying the Christmas
this in
punch.
here?
It tastes
What's
very
in
good. It
here?
tastes like wine.
It still has the
What's in here,
Like
Max?
wine.
Put a lot of ice.
There's
Not
Prosecco,
bad, but
cranberry juice,
No,
orange.
it's like
It's like a mimosa
it's like
type
a
That's
of
what
light.
I'm saying, though. That's what I was gonna say. It's like a mimosa.
I figured because
Yeah.
well, since you gave back to it, because it's morning,
Good for
so I
you.
figured like a light mimosa, Bellini type of feel.
Yeah.
No, you said mimosa. You're gonna win points with him.
Mhm.
well, it's for everybody.
Yeah, this is really good.
You can
All
do
right.
it for alcohol.
Now
Maria, don't do that.
Yay!
Pinecone. The name alone is creative.
Yes, it is the pine cone.
Some Pinecone.
Alright.
It smells good.
Oh, no.
Wait, I didn't get mine.
Wait, where's mine?
Ah,
Oh, this kind of freaky.
this is different.
Wait a
Oh, this
minute
is
now.
different.
Wait a minute now. Y'all
Christmas.
It has a little
Okay.
spice type of.
Man, for real.
It does have.
Yes, it
Wow.
gives you a feeling
That's
of
like a
Christmas.
smoky flavor.
Yeah.
Maria,
It is good.
Go ahead.
She
She
is
the drink make out the
Pinecone.
She could win with that.
Yeah, that gave a
This is
nice
good with
a
feel.
burger.
This is good.
This is
Yeah.
it. This is it.
This make you
Y'all
feel
got a hard
like,
job.
like, you know,
Judges, are y'all going to deliberate?
All
Do
right.
y'all want us to step in the bathroom?
I'm gonna give y'all the rules on judging.
Step
All
in the
right,
bathroom.
so
Yeah.
where the rules are 10 points for presentation, 10 points for creativity, and 10 points for taste. So I guess y'all rate us from 1 to 10, presentation,
This is mine.
taste, and creativity.
Good
So,
basket.
all right, guys. I just want to say I feel cheated. Why? Ooh, I'm
They're
nervous.
deliberating right now.
I know. I feel like this is really a hard one because I didn't think she was gonna come through with a brown stuff.
I didn't think you would. You know what? I had no idea what
Okay.
anybody was making. I didn't expect you to make a punch.
Yeah, y'all know I'm playing.
Yeah, but no, but it's more. It was nice. It was up more upscale.
I didn't
I don't
taste
know.
nobody.
I think I was gonna win because I greened out everything. I did the hair, pajamas, the
Oh,
nails.
was the hair brand?
Yes.
Oh,
And now I have to look like this
okay.
in January at work. But
This is a long deliberation.
I know.
You would
It
think
is
that
hard.
this ain't Christmas morning. Like,
like the OJ trial.
Jesus.
Watching this video, I want y'all to tell me who won. I want to see what the gang thinks.
That's how we want to do it. Then
But
so
there's no losers here.
there's no
Right.
losers. Y'all did a
Yo,
great
y'all,
job.
y'all lost.
Two of us
lost. All right,
So, Maria,
Wow.
but don't worry about it. Just nobody.
No, but that's why you have to.
You gotta listen. You
You
have to
gotta.
listen.
Your presentation, we gave you a 5. Do you want to talk about how we gave you the 5?
Yes.
It's because, like I said, how your basket was. It was a little. Like,
There was effort was the little towel.
Yeah, we gave you points.
and I even gave you a point for your candle. So
Yes.
it was and you got the smaller basket. So it's
Well,
good.
Maxie said that.
Hold
we
on.
would-
Wait, whoa.
No.
We're gonna continue. Let's go.
No, because she
No.
sabotaged because she said, "Don't come here with no big bag."
All right.
Yeah, she did.
Xavier.
That is not big.
We're going to continue.
Yours is huge.
We're gonna continue.
Maxie got a 7
Yeah.
for her presentation.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
you want to know why you got a 7?
Yes, I would like to know.
Because you just
why.
put stuff in
You
the
put mad
basket.
stuff in your basket.
And that was it.
Jenny got a 9 for her presentation. Yes,
Because
because
it was
Jenny,
wrapped.
it was wrapped. She had a bow and she put grapes in it. I don't like.
Cupcakes.
I don't.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, I don't like guacamole and them chips was good.
Yes. She
Okay.
even had the guac.
That's cheating. Nobody even tasted my chicken.
Y'all didn't taste
I
my
told you
stuff.
them some Lace chips.
That's crazy.
Y'all gotta look. So
You don't
now
have original
the
Lay's.
taste.
Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Maxie, you got a 7.
Okay.
Your
Was
drink was
great.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Jenny got an 8.
What's on the drink?
Maria,
I worked
yes.
hard on that drink.
It was good because of the.
It was
the-
good.
It was
They were
good.
all good.
Sugar rim.
But Maria had the best drink.
Ah,
What
boo.
Maria got?
Boo.
Maria
Fake
got a
news.
8 on her taste.
No, 9 wasn't.
Oh, 9, yeah, 9. I looked at it
9.
different. 9.
Let's calm down. She did a hair flip.
Okay, so now.
So add the points up. That's all we
No,
do.
we're not
So
drinks
Maria
club.
got the 6.
Okay.
Max got a 8. And Jenny got a 10.
That's how the basket looked.
Yes. So the
Andre.
content. Oh dang. Maria got a 5.
For the content, what's in the basket.
Max got an 8. You still threw stuff in your basket. Though.
Yeah. You do the same
And
thing.
Jenny got a 9. So
I made an even balance of junk
how?
And fruit. You got points for the fruit.
Really?
and the baby had
So how the points went was
We don't have to do it.
Maria got 25
Yeah, good enough.
Total.
total. Max got 30.
Damn.
Wow.
And Jenny got 36.
Yeah!
I won.
Camera so Jenny can do her power dance.
Every
I
time.
Okay, I
You
won.
didn't speak for me.
Yeah, you won.
I gave you a
Oh,
couple of
baby.
things going on.
You won the drink.
You want a drink?
You want a drink? Oh, hey gang, Edit and Jen cutting in here. I'd like to thank you guys officially for supporting me all through Vlogmas. This was a big project for me. I worked really hard in planning and making sure I had good content for you guys. I really wanted to do all 25 videos, but I think after it was said and done, I did 22 or 23 videos. So round of applause for me for getting it done. Yes, you have to always give yourself points and give yourself praise. That's how you give yourself the drive and the appreciation and the strength to continue going on. I'd like to thank you. If not for you, I wouldn't do it and my channel wouldn't be what it is. I'd like to thank you guys officially for participating, engaging. I got a lot of comments, a lot of likes, and a lot of love. And let's see what 2023 brings. I thank you guys for watching my videos so very much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
This Christmas, fireside.